Kedu, Bonia Ekwem, and look at me. Most people see me and they automatically assume that I'm from or that I was born in Nigeria. Most people just begin speaking Igbo to me, which is wonderful. However, most times in the past, I did not understand it. I did not understand what people were saying to me, and it was frustrating. The reason why I was around so many Igbo-speaking people is because I'm married to an Igbo man. I've been married to my husband for the past 23 years. About 10 years ago, my husband and I were watching TV, and we saw an advertisement for African ancestry. Now, being married to my husband, I've always joked around with him saying, wouldn't it be funny if, you actually married an Igbo woman after all? Because I know his mother preferred that. Not to say anything bad about my mother-in-law, she does love me. But I know when we first began dating, that was something that was voiced. But once African ancestry came to exist, that's actually set off a spark for my husband. He actually got the test done, unbeknownst to me, for a birthday gift. He went to my family and he actually got the DNA swab testing. And at our reveal party, which was my birthday party, it turned out that the majority of my ancestry is from Igbo land. So once I found that out, I instantly knew that I had to really be more serious about learning not just the culture, which I had already done, but actually learn the language, because language is such an important part of culture. In fact, language is culture, and we have a godsend sent to us in Express Igbo. Once the classes were available, we knew instantly that I should start taking them, because as sad as it is for me to say, even though we've been together for such a long time, we haven't really been practicing speaking Igbo to one another. And being in a mainly English-speaking household makes it difficult to continue to learn and to practice the language. Once a people loses their language, then you've lost your culture, and it's happening globally right now. So many people are losing their language, and as a result losing their culture. And the Igbo culture is such a rich culture, and it's a beautiful culture. Not only is it a rich culture, it transcends areas, because I have friends from Jamaica who are aware of Igbo language being spoken within their communities without even knowing it. And then there's people here in the US that have certain cultural habits and certain phrases that are also in Igbo right here in the US. But I'm saying all this to say that Express Igbo is doing such a wonderful job keeping the culture alive by teaching people the language. Not only are they teaching young people that are from Igbo descent how to continue the language, but they're also teaching people like me, people that have now become aware of my Igbo ancestry and that want to learn and want to keep the culture going and to make sure that the culture stays alive. And to me, the only way you can do that is through the language. So once Express Igbo was offered, it was a blessing. I was able to take the classes, I was able to learn conversational Igbo, and now when people talk, I can pretty much understand what they're saying. Fortunately, they're saying good things about me, not bad. So I just wanted to say, Dalu, Express Igbo, thank you for coming into our lives, because now that you all are teaching me how to speak Igbo, I can in turn teach my young children how to speak it, and then we can become officially an Igbo speaking household. Again, Dalu.